program. See you!
Hi, I am Riris from Facebook Scouts. Today I am going to show you how to tie a bowline knot. First you should have a rope like this. You should hold it like this. Then you should make a small loop like this. After that you have to place the right hand side through the yoke. And you should have a loop like this. Then it should be like this. So you have to get it like this and through this loop. And you should tighten it.
I am Sheena from Animateur School. I am in 5th Hadal Scout Group. Now I am going to do some knots. First I am going to do reef knot. Take a long rope, hold each end in each hand and take the right hand and place it over the left hand and twist the left hand side rope and take the right hand side rope now and place it under the left hand side rope and then twist it. This is a reef knot, and the use of reef knot is to join small stuff and light cottage, and it is the excellent knot for bandage.
Hello everyone, I'm Yulia, a scout from Ukraine. Today I will show you my favorite knot, a butterfly knot. Usually when people tie it, the start looks like butterfly, so butterfly. But I love, oh my god girl, but I love another way.
First, take a rope and wrap it around your hand like this. See? It looks like the Roman number 11.
5, 6, 7, you make me feel like 11.
Now take the 1 and push it between the 10. Then stretch your hand and pull the rope tie. Ta-da! See? It's quite strong, perfect for hanging things. Look, beautiful rope decoration. Now
I
take
love
the
this
1
knot because
and
it's fun
push
to
it
tie it,
between
work
the 10.
almost everywhere and the stars
Then
looks
stretch your
really
hand
cool. The
and
knot,
pull the rope
butterfly,
tie.
and I wanna say to you goodbye.
Thank you, Coco, for sharing those amazing talents with us. Wow, Scout really full of creativity and skill, right? Now, let's hit to another side of the world to see what's happening there.
Thanks, Riri, for the introduction. I'm Vanessa from Belgium, and yes, JOTA-JOTI brings together scouts from all around the world for one amazing weekend of connection and celebration. And what better way to celebrate than with music? Our next Scouts Got Talent category is all about Scout songs. Let's sing along and enjoy a few highlights from our talented participants. Together scouts from all around the world for one amazing weekend of connection and celebration. And what better way to celebrate than with music? Our next Scouts Got Talent category is all about Scout songs. Let's sing along and enjoy a few highlights from our talented participants. Together scouts from all around the world for one amazing weekend of connection and celebration. And what better way to celebrate than with music? Our next Scouts Got Talent category is all about Scout songs. Let's sing along and enjoy
There's a place in your heart that I know that it is love, and this place could be much brighter than tomorrow.
And if you really try, you find there no need to cry. In this lane, you feel there no hurt or sorrow.
There are ways to get there if we care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. You and for me. You and for me. You and for me. Make a better place for you and for me. Make a better place for you and for me. You and for me.
Wow, what incredible talent from scouts all around the world. But scouting isn't just about notes and songs. It's also about play, fun, and discovering how scouts enjoy activities in different countries. So let's find out more in our next JOTA-JOTI connection.
Sasa wa Kenya. Hello everyone from Kenya. I'm Gashenga and I'm excited to introduce the final Scouts Got Talent category for this year.
Fun and
Scout Games. You know how it is, whether we're at camp, waiting for the bus, or just hanging out with friends, Scouts always find a way to have fun and play a game or two. In this category, Scouts from all over the world are sharing some of their favorite games and showing us how to play them. Let's check them out.
Hi, we are part of the troupe of Jesus Maria 82 from Peru, and we are going to do a game called Arañita. I'm patrol, or we are patrol of Mapaches. Woo! We are patrol de Oromis. Woo! And we are the patrol Tigresas. Woo!
boge. Awalani mala tope. Awalani mala boge. Awalani mala tope. Boga boga. Boga 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 ne. Cherna ya di karani. Kumajaina. Bonala. Ebumajaina.
Really fun games, right? Scouts truly know how to turn any moment into playtime. Now it's your turn to join, and it's time to vote your favorite. You can scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in comment to watch the performance again and choose your top pick in each category. And speaking of special moment, we have another guest joining with us.
Hi everyone, it's such a pleasure to be here today with you, at least my digital self. And I'm really proud to represent SAP. Today out of SAP's headquarters in Germany, and to celebrate our ongoing partnership with World Scouting. A collaboration that actually started back at Expo 2020 in Dubai, when we ran our first Snap Hybrid workshop. That session brought together hundreds of students from around the world who learned about programming, innovation, and the power of technology to make a difference. Since then, so since half a decade, our partnership has only grown stronger. And just a few weeks ago, we hosted the 4th edition of the Learning and Skills for Sustainable Youth Development Dialogue series during ANGA Week, so the UN General Assembly Week in New York. Together with World Scouting, we explored one of the most important questions of our time: how we can prepare young people with the skills they need for the future. And that brings me to two things very close to my heart: the skills of the future and the next generation. We all know the world is changing faster than ever. Technologies like artificial intelligence and automation are reshaping how we live and work. We already feel it in our today's life, and we know that it will have a tremendous impact on our future life. And that means we have to continuously upskill ourselves in terms of the newest technology to stay up to date. But we should not forget, beyond technical skills, but even matters more and most are the human skills: creativity, adaptability, problem solving, curiosity, empathy, and above all, a growth mindset. A growth mindset means believing that your abilities aren't fixed, that you can always learn, grow, and evolve. It's what allows you to turn challenges into opportunities and curiosity into innovation. And that's exactly what we want to foster through our collaboration with World Scouting and our global learning initiatives. So we are proud to welcome students and young people from all over the world to explore our newest offering, the SAP Learning Hub Student Edition. That's a free online platform where you can learn about SAP technologies, earn certification, and even land opportunities within SAP, as well as our huge ecosystem of more than 25,000 partners and 400,000 customers worldwide. It's a chance to build the skills that the future demands and to connect with a global community of learners and innovators. And for those of you who will join the SAP workshops this week, grand gestures, storytelling with AI, and from media computation to data science, I wish you a lot of fun. These sessions are a great opportunity to experience hands-on how technology and creativity come together to drive meaningful change. Please stay connected with us, follow our upcoming activities, and most importantly, enjoy your 3 days of learning and continue to stay curious. Thank you.
Thank you, SAP, for your support. And yes, we will definitely joining your webinars in the Activity Hub to learn more about the exciting opportunities that you are offering. And speaking of the Activity Hub, do you guys play Minecraft? Because it's time to connect to our own JOTA-JOTI Minecraft server. And you only need to open the game to join our official server at mc.jotajoti.info and have a lot of fun with all of Scout around the world. And of course, I can't wait to jump in and explore the Minecraft world with Scout from all around the world.
Hi everyone, so here we are with Adri from the World Scouting Office in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and they've got a fun activity that you can play with your scout group or patrol. So welcome Adri, how are you today?
I am good, nice to meet you really.
Nice to meet you Adri.
Yes, my name is Adri, I am from Malaysia, and today I'm really excited to share these fun games with all of you guys. Anyway, these card games you guys can download from our activity hub on jotajoti.info. And once you have got this card, you can print them or you can play directly in your mobile phone or your computer. It's up to you. And you can play this with your patrol or scout group. It is a great way to test how well you know the scout from all around the world.
Great!
Okay, really?
So let's play with that.
Are you ready?
Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Are you guys ready? So let's make fun with us.
Okay. Let me teach you how to play these games.
Okay.
First, what I will do is I will show you one scarf from this country.
Wow.
And you
I
have to guess. Correct.
Okay.
This is the first card. Can you guys guess this?
Can you guys guess where the scarf is from? You can also comment to the comment section below. And please help me to answer with this card.
Yeah.
So,
what do you think, Mary?
It has three colors: blue, red, and green. So, do you guys know which country this scarf is? Please write the comment below. I think it's from Azerbaijan.
Let me see. Azerbaijan. Yes, you are correct. This is from Azerbaijan, from our European region.
Yay!
Should we play more?
Yes, of course.
Okay, let's go.
I want to test my knowledge.
This one. It has three colors or more.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
White, blue, and red, right?
Also green.
Green?
And yellow.
Oh, and yellow also.
Can you guys guess?
Can you guys guess which country it is? I think it's a little bit familiar. It's from Congo.
Yes,
right?
You are right. This is from Congo.
So happy.
Okay. Let's play another one. Let's see, what do we have here?
Yeah, I also asked you guys to play with us. Yeah, so if you know the answer, please write down the comment.
Please guys, we want to keep this really happening.
Yes.
And fun.
Yeah,
the next card.
The next card is
This is the next card.
Wow,
it has green, red, white. Yes. Do you think?
It also has flower on it.
It has a flower and also a crescent moon inside.
Do you guys know what the answer is? I think I know the answer is.
I can give one clue. It's from Arab region.
Oh, from Arab region.
Yes.
It's from Algeria.
Yes, you are correct. This is Algeria.
Yay!
Scout. Should we play another one?
Yes, we have.
Okay. Let's take this one. Okay.
Wow.
It's quite complicated. A lot of pattern.
A lot of pattern.
Nice
with
color.
some color. Yeah.
I think you guys can already guess what country is this.
It's really familiar. It's from our region, our Asia Pacific region. Who's from Asia Pacific region? Please write the comment below. Okay, I will guess. This is from Vietnam, right?
Yes, you are correct. This is Vietnam Scout.
Okay,
Nice.
wow,
Okay.
that's very, very fun.
Yes. How about you guys? Please, you can play this game with all of your friends, your patrol and scout group. It's very fun to know each of the country scout.
Yeah, don't forget to share your activities on your social media and don't forget to tag us.
Yeah. The next one.
The next one is?
This scarf.
Wow. This scarf is really, really nice.
Yeah. A lot of patterns too. blue and white color. They have yellow too as the stars.
Do you know where it's from, guys?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to guess. It's from El Salvador.
El Salvador, yes, you're
Right?
correct. This is El Salvador Scout.
Hey. Wow.
Okay, I think we should play the last one. Okay?
Are you guys ready?
Let's
Please guess with me. Help me.
This is the next one.
Ooh.
Nice and bold color, bold pattern.
Half with red and half with yellow.
Yes, and it has this black stroke in between. Can you guys guess which
You guys
country?
guess? Please write the comment below.
It's from Africa region.
It's from Africa region.
It's from
I
Africa
think I know where it's from. It's from Uganda. Alright?
Really, you are like you are really nice with geography and everything.
Thank you very much. Oh my God.
Yeah, so it is from Uganda.
Wow, that was really fun games.
Yeah.
With our guest here.
Okay, so this is the card that you guys can play. We have all of our country, all of in our NSO inside this card. You can download from our jotajoti.info. Yeah, have fun with your friends.
Have fun with your friends and your groups.
Wow, that was so much fun. I had no idea there were so many different styles and colors in our movement. And those were just some of the national scarf and neckerchiefs. Now, let's talk about our scavenger hunt. Have you spotted all of the icons so far? Because here comes the last one. And remember to take the initial of this icon, combine it with all of the others you found during this show, and you'll unlock the secret code for the Challenge Valley. And remember to use that code on jotajoti.info or in the Scout Pass app to earn your virtual badge. So everyone, before we wrap up, let's take a moment to remember what it is all about. So, the Jamboree on the Air and the Jamboree on the Internet is an event where scouts from every corner of the world can connect, share, and of course, we can learn together. And it's really fun we can connect together, right? But did you know that in 2027, we all have the chance to meet in person at the World Scout Jamboree in Poland? Wow, that was a really great chance for us, right? So let's take a look about what they already prepared for the incredible adventure in Jamboree in Poland.
Everything you do it bravely. Poland 2027, the 26th World Scout Jamboree.
Okay, everyone, we have so much fun together, right? So please keep the energy going. And you can also share your photos and stories from JOTA-JOTI on your social media using the hashtag JOTA-JOTI. And don't forget to tag us at JOTA-JOTI and World Scouting for a change to be featured with our channels. And of course, the fun doesn't end here. We will live again on Sunday with special stream directly from the Minecraft world. Wow, very, very amazing. So make sure you guys to join this server and keep exploring to the all exciting activities happening in this weekend. And of course, thank you very much for watching. I wish you all a very, very wonderful and unforgettable JOTA-JOTI 2025. And of course, let's we all connect, share, and celebrate the scouting spirit wherever you are. So everyone, stay tuned until the end of this big musical surprise coming to you all the way from Sri Lanka. Until we meet again, take care, see you!
Hello everyone, I'm Gita Senarata from Sri Lanka. I'm 14 years old and a student of Maricela College in Colombo. So, I wrote a song for this year's JOTA-JOTI 2085 based on the theme of world shaped by youth. So, have a listen at it and I hope you enjoy it.
From everywhere, voices side by side, dreams and ideas crossing borders wide, for a brighter world, for a kinder day. We're shaping tomorrow in a brand new way. We're the youth, shaping the world today, leading with courage to light up the way. Together we're strong, our voices are true. Together we're better, our forces are new. The future is bright, it's filled with light. Together we rise, our dreams take flight. With courage and hope, we light the night. The world we are building is shaped by you. It started with voices over radio waves, scouts connecting the bonds they gave. Then came the internet, reaching even more. Jota and Joti opened up the door. Now in one event, stories unite, sharing of visions, hearts running bright. Through every challenge, a badge is inside, protecting our home from morning to night. We're the youth, shaping the world today, leading with courage to light up the way. Together we're strong, our voices are true. Together we're better, our forces are new. The future is bright, it's filled with light. Together we'll rise, our dreams take flight. With courage and hope, we light the night. The world we are building is shaped by you. We're so learning together, watch the future grow. Through JOTA-JOTI, our skills we show, exchanging our talents, making spirits glow. With laughter and learning, dreams take flight, shaping the world with hope and might. Keeping Earth green, our mission's inside, guarding the planet. We stand for what's right. We're the youth, shaping the world today, leading with courage to light up the way. Together we're strong, our voices are true. Together we're better, our voices are new. The future is bright, it's filled with light. Together Together we rise to dreams, take flight. The courage and hope we light the night. The world we are building is shaped by you.